Spring is finally here. With renewed energy and brighter, warmer days, you might be motivated to do some spring cleaning. Of course, this time of year is a great time to organize, refresh, and clean around your home, but this season, take some time to do the same with your finances. Welcome to Money Tip Tuesday from the Making Money Personal podcast. This season is an excellent time to do a lifestyle refresh, especially regarding your finances. For those feeling motivated to tackle a new project, channel that seasonal energy to review and reorganize your current financial situation for a few ways to save yourself some dough. Here are 5 quick ideas to help you spring clean your finances this season. Number 1, review your budget. Take some time to look closely at your expenses and your income. Have you been spending more than anticipated? Do you need to tweak a few budget items to adjust for recent economic changes? Look through where you're spending money and reallocate your budget if necessary. This responsible action puts you in charge of your financial decisions. Number 2, check your credit report. Get a copy of your credit report from all bureaus, or at the very least, get one copy from one bureau. Look it over, check your score, your lines of credit, and any changes or updates made over the last quarter. Reviewing your report is a great way to determine any changes that you need to make to improve your score and to see if any past changes you've made have impacted it. For those with a Triangle Better checking account, you can access your credit score and report through the dedicated Better Checking app. If you haven't registered yet, check the link in the show notes on how to get started. Number 3, automate savings. If you haven't been regularly transferring money into a savings account, take some time to set up automatic savings. It's easier than you think. Use a tool like Triangle's Goal Builder within online and mobile banking to set goals that make building your savings account that much easier. The tool automates saving a portion of income towards a set category over time so you can set it up and forget about it, giving you reassurance and confidence in your financial management. For more information on Goal Builder, you can also check the link in the show notes. Number 4, consolidate debt. Look into all your existing rates on your car, your home, and any credit cards you have. If you think those rates that you're currently paying are higher than you'd like, take some time, do some shopping around for lower rates. If you're in a good position to refinance or do some debt consolidation, take the opportunity to restructure your debts and free up some money. Number 5, review subscriptions and memberships. If you're juggling a lot of subscriptions, take control. Note how much you're paying and whether or not you're using those platforms. If you're paying for some that you find you're not really using as much, now is a good time to cancel or consider downgrading your plan to a free tier if it's available. If there are any other tips or topics you'd like us to cover, let us know at tcupodcast@trianglecu.org. Like and follow our Making Money Personal Facebook and Instagram pages, and look for our sponsor, Triangle Credit Union, on social media to share your thoughts. Thanks for listening to today's Money Tip Tuesday, and check out our other tips and episodes on the Making Money Personal podcast. Have a great day, everyone.